Here's how to
lower the pitch of your voice
or raise the pitch of your voice
in Premiere Pro. In your timeline, select your voice recording. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for the Pitch Shifter effect. Drag the effect and apply to the voiceover track. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. With the voiceover track selected, go to the Effects Control panel and select the Pitch Shifter effect. Click on the Edit button, and in the pop-up window, select the semitone slider. To create a low dip voice, you need to move the semitone slider to the left. Then select the High Precision option and enable the default settings. And the effect will sound like this.
Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Subscribe for more tutorials like this.
If you want a higher pitched voice, move the semitone slider to the right, and the effect will sound like this.
Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Subscribe for more tutorials like this.
That's how you create this effect inside Adobe Premiere Pro.
Subscribe for more tutorials like this.
Subscribe for more tutorials like this.